Welcome! Today I will show how you can check battery in Apple Watch Series 10. So there are quite a few ways you can approach checking battery on an Apple Watch. So the easiest way to quickly check how much battery, how much juice your smartwatch has left is to simply set up the watch face in the way that shows the actual battery. So each time you unlock your Apple Watch or look at your watch face, you'll see the amount of battery that is left. So for example, I'm not sure if this watch face allows you to do that. It perhaps don't, but I'll check nonetheless. Yeah, it does not allow for the battery widget. So maybe let me try changing the watch face to this one perhaps, and it should show the battery, or at least it should be able to show the battery. So currently we have the Mickey Mouse widget. So let's see. So character, color, complications. Let's see. Yeah, it does not allow for the battery widget here. Maybe. Yep, so battery. Now this watch face shows the battery, as you can see right over here. More universal way to check the battery is to press the side button of your Apple Watch, open the control panel, and here you'll have the battery percentage control, which you can tap on to, well, see this graph here and enter the low power mode if necessary. Then you can also open the list of apps by tapping at the digital crown from the watch face, then launch settings. Here, look for the battery category of settings, open it, and you can also check the battery percentage or the amount of remaining battery right over here. You can also check the battery health by opening the battery health information, scrolling down, and looking for the maximum capacity value. And this value shows you the battery health percentage pretty much. So my Apple Watch is brand new, so it has its battery maximum capacity at 100%. But if you've been using your device for a while, you may see different percentage simply. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.